for praising me always. And today's topic is how to find your niche. So I think this will be more interactive session, and I think why I choose this topic. Actually, this period is totally means everyone is at our home, and this period is not good, and everyone is suffering from something, and some health issues, and some people are going through mental issues, and so I choose this topic, and I'm assuring you that for next 1 hour, this will be a powerful pack session, and I will give some hope in your life that how to find your niche. So I think let's get started, and I hope everyone is safe and healthy. So this is the topic: finding your niche. So I first of all I will describe what is niche. Means what is the actual meaning of niche. So niche means, and some people might be knowing the actual meaning of that, and once again I'm describing that what is meaning of niche. Niche means, I can say, those who are expertise in some areas, in some field, and nobody can beat them. Like somebody is something is very good at that area, and from in that area they can make earnings through. They can make earnings also, and especially he means like Arindam sir is a very good teacher, and I think I can say we all will be agree with that. If Arindam sir is a very good teacher, and he is perfect, and because he has specialized that subject, English communication, how to be effective communicator, he's very good at that. And if someone is specialized at something, we called it as niche. So can you have the sir next slide? See, what is a niche? Area of specialty that is refined and requires expertise. As I said earlier, you should be expertise in that particular field. Otherwise, it can't be possible that it can be called as a niche. Okay. And one more thing I want to add here, that it doesn't mean that if you are not you are niche to that particular area, but you don't have any passion. If you are not passionate to that thing, then it can't be possible that it will be your niche. So first of all, I will give you an example here, that Baba Ramdev. We all know Baba Ramdev as a yoga teacher, yoga guru, and he is a very good entrepreneur. I think all will be agree on this. See how he started his business, and his niche is he is a very good yoga teacher. He is quite expertise on that. Means he teaches us all the asanas kind of thing, all the pranayam kind of thing, and he is very good at that. And how he started his business, he focused that our people are eagerly waiting to learn this, means to learn these asanas and pranayams. See, he focused all the people of India, means 135 billion people are eagerly waiting, want to learn this pranayam and asanas. So he started like this through yoga, and after that he started selling the Ayurvedic products to the market. Market means the population of our country. So what he does, he did one kind of research that yes, allopathy medicine is there, but allopathy is a medicine where we can suppress the disease, we can't cure the disease. He found that. After that, he started selling his Ayurvedic products. By that, people get result that yes, they get means they cured from that disease having that Ayurvedic products. And nowadays, he is a very good entrepreneur, and he is having Patanjali is having very good business in all over India, and they are hiring IIM, ISB guys Means those who are doing MBA from IIM and ISB, Indian School of Business, they are hiring them. Patanjali are hiring them. Means, can you imagine what kind of thing he is doing? So you have to be expertise in something so that you can build your business like this. So you have to, when you have to find your niche, then you have to look into all these aspects. Otherwise, it can't be possible to find your niche. And some people can say that I don't know what is my niche. I know some people have that thing in their mind that I don't have any niche. So you have to find that, and you have to be passionate, and that should be your hobby. Otherwise, it is not possible to have one niche. And sometimes I can say people are here, means I had seen that mastering a niche takes time. And the key is to identify the niche and that you can master. Okay. So you have to identify the niche and you have to master on that. Otherwise, it is not possible to find your niche. And the second point, marketing of a product or service. And we all know nowadays COVID is here and there. And we all are having some immunity booster kind of thing of Patanjali or any Ayurvedic products we are having all every day. And see how Baba Ramdev came and he started his business through yoga. He started through yoga. First started through yoga. And after that, he started selling his Ayurvedic products. And people are getting, he sees that people are getting benefited. And after that, he plans to add some FMCG counters. Means he started like some Atta Maggie kind of thing. So he is quite expertise on his subject. Through yoga, he started. Nowadays, he is one kind of very good entrepreneur, and there are multiple competitors he has, but he's he's giving competition to their competitors. So we all have to think all these aspects while finding our niche. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide, sir? Yes. Why niche? It is a very most important thing. First of all, we find our niche, but from why it is required. See, nowadays people are getting jobless due to this COVID. From last 1.5 years, we all are at home. Think, can we sustain in this life without, if you don't have any expertise in something? Can we sustain? It can't be possible. You can't sustain. Because things are getting not earlier days, the things are good, but nowadays things are not that much good. So you have to find that niche so that you can get some earnings and you can feed your family. So now I can see in my area, I had seen that people are the daily wages worker. In my village, I am into, I belongs to Odisha and I belongs to western part of Odisha. That is particularly a tribal belt, tribal area. And in that area, I had seen that multiple people are getting jobless because they are daily wages worker. They work in some factory and that factory has been closed. And they don't know when it will reopen due to lockdown and shutdown kind of things. And the COVID wave 2 was quite brutal. And so I choose this topic so people can find their niche. And for that niche, they can get some earnings kind of thing from that niche. And the second thing, if you find one niche and you have to be expertise. And I don't say it will take 6 months to 3 years to be expert on something. And third point is easier to market. So that you can convince people and they are eagerly waiting for that. I will give an example at the end. You can convince the people, means you are expertise with something. Like nowadays people are I can say people are using social media for blogging kind of thing. And nowadays doctors also, they are what they are doing, they are putting some Instagram reels into their account for after, if you are suffering from COVID, you have to do these things, and they are getting good views. So they are expert, and they are convincing their patients through Instagram. They are choosing any social media account like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. They're choosing, and they're convincing their patient that if you're suffering from COVID, you have to do these all these activities. Means you can do your pranayam, your yoga, and you have some tada kind of things. And don't worry, means keep yourself positive. So they are putting all these things, and they're getting good views, and people are accepting that messages. See, my niche is stock market. I can make money from stock market. So I am giving one live example. Like 3 months back, I asked my mother that you want to double your money. She asked me, yes, I want to double it, but in the way of honesty. I said her that yes, don't worry, I will put the money into market, because some of the shares are getting, I am getting the shares in discount. So she gave me 1 lakh. And she asked me how much you will give me in the return. I replied her that yes, I will give you 2% return within 2 months. And basically I do intraday trading, and I made 1.5 lakhs on a day. I put that money into my trading account and I made 1.5 lakhs. I gave 1.5 lakhs to my mother in 2 days. I asked for 2 months, but I gave her in 2 days. I found that opportunity, and to be niche in something, it took time for me also. 4 years it took me to be expertise on stock market. So I am not saying that you should be expertise on stock market. You can find your niche on anything. Like if you are good at anything, you are good at YouTube blogging, and if you are a good motivator, then you can motivate yourself. If you are a good content writer, then you have to be enhance your skills. And when you do all these things, you will get customers. And my mother nowadays saying, take 2 lakhs from me now and put it into market. I'm not saying here that give me money. She's asking, take my money and make it, give me some good returns. So these all are the aspects you have to look into it, because these are the basic things while finding your niche. It should be your passion, and you are not forced to do that. You have to do that work happily, and you have to enjoy that work. Once you started enjoying that work, then definitely you will be expert at that work. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide, sir? Yes. Ideas to create a niche. See, I will give one live example here. The first one is go what you know. Go with what you know. Consider a hobby you love. Third point is research the market and find a gap. This is the most vital thing we have to remember. Research the market and find a gap. If your niche is working well, and there is a particular particular audience is there, they want to accept that, then it is quite good. I'm giving one example of our vaccine. We have in India, we have 2 vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield. Nowadays, means it is our in-house product. And Bharat Biotech started their Covaxin last year, the month of July. They have started their vaccination research kind of thing. At that time, Serum Institute, we didn't know anyone about Serum Institute before that, before 2020. I think some people can know about that, but most of the people doesn't know that what is Serum Institute, what they do, We don't know. What they did, they have good number of scientists. It is a very good company. They have good number of scientists, and they basically create some, make some medicines like some vaccines kind of medicines for they give help to big companies like Glenmark and Mankind kind of company. They help them. Last year, what they did, they collaborate with AstraZeneca. It's a US brand, US medical company. They collaborate with AstraZeneca, and they said, we will prepare the vaccine with you, we will help you, and once the vaccine will be ready, we will sell it in our country. And they come into an agreement, yes, we can do that. And AstraZeneca, yes, I agreed on that, that yes, please help us, and please make sure we will create that vaccine that should be effective for this COVID virus, and you can sell it in your country. So see how they find the gap. Why I'm giving this example? Because to find a gap is much required thing. Because if you didn't find a gap, you can't make good returns. Means good earnings you can't make. So what they did, they collaborate with AstraZeneca, they prepared that vaccine, and they named it as Covishield, and we are getting that vaccination right now in our country. So earlier there was a proverb that when opportunity knocks at your door, grab it. But now things are completely different. We have to grab the opportunities, whether it is knocking our door or not knocking. Because in each and every field, you will find competitors, whatever you are doing. See, I am into IT industry. I belong apart from stock market. My work is I'm a software engineer, and I belongs to big data testing. And people are here. Those freshers are joining in our company. They are from IITs, IIMs, and the work I do in 6 hours nowadays they are doing in 2 hours. So why company will hire me if I will not enhance my skills? The company will hire that guy. Those who are working in, those who are completing the task in 2 hours, because that from that guy they are getting benefited. They will not get benefited through me. So these are the things. So you have to find a gap. So what I can do, I have to enhance my technical skills so that I can do that work in 1.5 hours. So I have to build some kind of automation. So these are the things. You have to find always the market gap. Otherwise, it is not beneficial for you. So can you have the next slide? Yes. Identify and target the market. As I was giving the example of Serum Institute of Covishield. See what they did. See, they see in India there are 135 billion people are there, and Covaxin, the Bharat Biotech, the pharmaceutical company, can give vaccination to all this. So they come out with one idea. We will also create one vaccine that we will give that name as Covishield, and we are expertise at that. The first point, who can benefit most from my knowledge and expertise, and one company is there, they are helping them. Means AstraZeneca is there, and AstraZeneca is ready to help Serum Institute, and they are also getting benefited. So like this, they started, and their target is like all Indians, and India is not a small market because our population is 135 billion, and it is not a small market. The second point is what is their demographic and psychographic. The demographic of our country is not a small, it's quite big, it's huge. And third point, why am I attracted to this market? Because there is only one competitor. Only Covaxin is there, and no other company is there. And you can see, and I also suffered that for this vaccination, like only 3% of our country are totally vaccinated, and 15% are partially vaccinated now, as per today's data. 97% in percent people are there, those who will be vaccinated in future. So AstraZeneca, so Serum Institute find the gap, and they did that kind of, they have expertise, they helped AstraZeneca to build their vaccine, and now they are getting good billions of orders, bulk orders, billions of, means millions of bulk orders they are getting, not from our country, from other countries also. So when you are finding your niche and you are working on that, so you have to think what kind of audience should be there, whom I have to target. I will be target whom, and is my niche will be benefited for them. So you have to think in this manner. So when you are working on your niche, you have to focus on this, all these aspects. So this is all about this slide. Yes, this is the vital thing. Is your niche a good one? You have to do introspection while choosing your niche. You have to do this kind of introspection. Is there any urgency? What the niche I have, is there any urgency? See, the vaccination, as I earlier said, is there any urgency of vaccination right now? I can say it's not an urgency. It is much required. Means earlier there were three things: roof, clothes, food is required for this, for a human being. But nowadays, fourth thing is added. That one is vaccination. Because COVID wave 2 was quite brutal in this country, and we didn't know what COVID wave 3 will bring for us. The way people are not following the rules, and nowadays COVID years are here and there. In which place you will go, you will find COVID years. They are not following anything. So if we will do this kind of thing, we can't say that COVID wave 3 will not that much brutal. So we have to think that we have to introspect. Is my niche, is there any urgency of is there any urgency of my niche? And people are looking for solutions. Yes, people are eagerly waiting for that solution. So that, and they found the solution, and vaccine is the only solution we have for this COVID. And I can say many people are getting benefited. Means through vaccine, what will happen? Means you can get infected of COVID, but your recovery rate will be good. Once you are vaccinated, you are fully vaccinated, you can get infectious, but you will not die. Their mortality rate should be low, because now the country is in some states lockdown are imposed, and they are getting, they are covering from that lockdown. And I don't know what will happen, but I think I will request each and everyone, get your vaccine, because it is much required thing nowadays. And the question for, are at least 1,000 people looking for this solution right now? Not 1,000 people, I can say billions of people are looking for this solution, and we all will be agree on this. So while finding our niche, we have to do all these things. And I can say without vaccination means nowadays I had read one article in 2 days back, like slots are getting booked in 2 minutes, two minutes, and people are not getting their slots for vaccination. So this is all about this slide. Can you have the next slide, sir? Yes. So the niche key making process. While making your niche, there is some processes are there. Imagine that you are going to build one school. For as I earlier said, I belongs to western part of Odisha, and it is a complete tribal area. So if I will have, I means in my mind I have that I will build a school for those who are below poverty line. I want to give literacy to them, and so what are my next steps? So what I will do, I will make some strategies. Is there any school? First of all, I will check that is there any school those who are giving education to below poverty line people, children, and are the if there is any school, is that school is capable to handle all these things? Means is their quality of education is good, and where means if I will build my school where I can excel, but they are not giving, I can give the people that. So you have to look all these aspects while creating, and I can say in a day or two you can't make your money. Means if you will focus on your earnings through your niche, it is not possible on a day or two, because you will face some challenges. You will face some challenges while uh, implementing your niche into the market, and you have to do the proper industry research. If you are building anything, means your niche means nowadays I can say there are many YouTube tech channels are there, and their niche is that their content is good, and people are getting, and they are getting good views also. And some tech channels are there, they are not getting views because their content is not that much proper, that much efficient. So you have to, while finding your niche, you have to identify all these aspects while creating your niche, because it is a process, and sometimes you will face obstacles also. And it doesn't mean that if you found the obstacle, you have to quit, because it is your hobby. You are passionate about that, and you have to overcome that. And one more thing, you have to research that what is means what I found, all I have my niche and I have expertise on that, and people are eagerly waiting. And you have to see what are you are not the only one into that market. As I gave the example of that vaccine, that what Covishield see, that Covaxin is only competitor for me in India. But nowadays, in next 6 months, there will be 6 more competitors for Covaxin and Covishield, because India, like government of India, is planning to buy some overseas vaccines, because we can't give all these vaccines to 135. We can't give these 2 vaccines to all 135 billion. If it will happen, then I can say it will means up to 2024, the vaccination program will be going on. So you have to think all the while creating your niche, and you have to be expertise. You have to look into all these aspects. And you have to learn that what more thing I can put. Means what do you know, and what extra thing you can put. You have to do all these things. So can you have the next slide, sir? Yes. And this is the main thing I can say. Is there a demand for my product? Means while you are creating any product, and is there any demand in the market? You have to always look into it. Otherwise, you build one product and there is no demand in that market, then it will not fruitful for you. The way vaccines are getting created, and because supply is less and demands are more nowadays. Because India is not a small market, as I said earlier. India is not a small market, it's a big market. And nowadays, there are thousands of YouTube channels. Who are sustaining? Those who are giving quality content. Because demands are more, supply is less. Because I can say there are 3 to 4 tech, means almost 10 to 15 tech channels, those who are consistently making money and they're properly getting earnings. Not more than that, I can say, in India. Because we Indians are little much sophisticated, that we always find that yes, he is giving in this time period, he is giving me this. Because we Indians know how to get all these things. We know जुगाड़ जो होता है ना, कि जुगाड़ से कैसे बना के इसको डाल देते हैं YouTube में. So I will get more likes, I will get more views. It is not like that. You have to give the quality content. And if your content is qualitative, then obviously you will get good views and you can get more earnings. So this is all about this slide. I think that one is the last slide. And actually today I took my second dosage. And actually I am suffering from mild fever. And and that's all from my side. I think over to Arindam, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ranjan. It was really an amazing session. Despite getting vaccinated and despite fever, still you decided to be a part of the session and you fulfilled your commitment of conducting this workshop. So though Ranjan is in a fever, he took his vaccination, and you know how difficult it becomes to even speak in vaccination. And today, despite getting vaccinated, still he conducted the workshop with that same, in fact, much better energy than before. He applied all of his enthusiasm, energy, knowledge, and wisdom, and he brought the best content for all of us. So we should thank Ranjan. So thank you so much, Ranjan, for putting such efforts in adding value to our life. Now I have opened the, I have allowed all the participants to unmute your audio. So you can unmute your audio, and if you have anything to ask, you can ask. Yes, Mr. Jagdish, please.
Hello everyone, good evening. Hello Mr. Ranjan, how are you? Good evening.
Hi Jagdish. I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Actually, I want to ask if I am planning to investment in SIP. It's good time right now invest in SIP.
No, you in future you will get much more good time. No, it's not the right time.
No, actually I am planning to long time investment like 10 years, 15 years for SIP in SIP. So
from August you can start. From August you can start.
August, from August.
August 2021 you can start.
And which fund, like which SIP, like SGFC, ICICI, SBI, which like?
You can put your money into index funds.
Index fund.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Jagdish. It was a relevant question, right? So
yes,
Mr. Ranjan is a financial expert, so you can see the kind of confidence in his experience. Yes, now I request Yes, if somebody has, so Advait, Mr. Advait, I would like to know your point of view. How was the session and what kind of takeaways have you taken from this? Yes, Mr. Advait.
So the session was very good, and I learned something from the session. It's a 1 hour session, and the topic was very important, and it's useful in a business. Actually, it's useful for a business or job like that. So as we are Miss Professionals, it's a help me, and it opens some vision for me also. That he said that find out your expertise, evaluate whether it will work in a market or not. Give us some of the factors on the basis of which we can evaluate that particular expertise will give you a result in kind of money or whatever value, whatever may be the result, whatever you are expecting, whether it can fulfill your expectation. You might be expecting something, but there are chances that that expertise is not worthy in current days. Our situation is not like that. So how to evaluate your expertise? First, you must be expert in particular thing. How to evaluate how it will work. So it's a good understanding, a good learning that I get from Mr. Raja. So we can say we learn all these things in a like a like a scattered topics, but this is a well planned learning, well planned. The topic was very good, and presentation was in a planned manner. So I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Advait. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful feedback. And Mr. Shekhar has also joined us. Yes, Mr. Shekhar. So I request you also to come and speak and whatever thoughts that you have to share. So you can speak. And yes, Ms. Vinita, you are also allowed. Yes, Ms. Vinita, please.
Yes, good evening. Mr. Ranjan, your workshop was very nice. Really, I like it. And that the thing I like that you should be passion in your life. Passion should be there. Without passion, you can't do anything. You should be focused. So that I like it very much. And means what should I say? That examples you gave that Yogi Baba. I like that really to bring his product. He banned that Maggie product, and it
Yes.
was a huge loss to Maggie company. And finally, the Maggie came back.
Yes. Means he
So,
has that much niche, and he actually he did that kind of studies. He make that kind of strategies so that he can give competition to his competitor. So though
yes,
the same way we have to think that if I am making this product and I have to give competition to my competitor, then there will be a fruitful competition will be there. So in that manner we have to think.
yes, yes. Really amazing. The workshop was very amazing, and I liked it. And your presentation was also very good. So I love and I like the workshop very much. That I learned something from this workshop. So it was great. Thank you, Ranjan.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Vinita, for sharing your wonderful feedback. Yes, Ms. Anita.
Yeah, hi Ranjan, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes, actually, I got to know that you're suffering fever, right?
Yes, actually today I took my second doses of vaccination, and after that, and the weather is not good here. Actually, it is raining, and I'm having some body ache and mild fever also
Mm-hmm.
for that vaccine.
But Ranjan, I really don't realize this that you have certain issues and all, because the kind of power you spreaded, it was amazing. And honestly, I want to tell you that I can't stop a single thing. I mean, you know that I thought that I can do certain work as well and I can listen to you, right? But I left every work and I just was involved into this, how nicely you performed each and every word. And even though I can't, stop myself to listening you, it was the amazing session. And I really want to tell you, you are an ineffable speaker as well, right? It's a kind of the quality which you have. I'm a speechless, right? So I don't have any words to say anything. You are awesome. You know, you really go ahead and ahead. There is no no one can stop you. That the
Thank
quality which you have, right?
thank you.
So wish you
And
very
it,
all the best.
yes,
Yeah,
thank you, ma'am.
and do well, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ranjan. We learned a lot today, and it was an amazing session which you provided us, and the way that you explained it, the example which you provided us, it was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Anita, for sharing your wonderful feedback. Yes. So still we are open for one more feedback or one more question. So if you have anything which you would like to share or would like to ask to Mr. Ranjan, so now it's the time. So one more query we can take till the platform is open. If somebody has any question, you can ask. Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Yeah,
This
Mr.
is
Sheikh.
Shekhar here. Hello. Uh, I just introduced myself. I'm Shekhar, and I was listening to Mr. Ranjan all the while. It was a pleasure listening to you because put together a lot of things in a very systematic manner, and it was really nice to listen to so much of stuff which we didn't know. Okay, and the best part was your self-confidence. Sometimes, we can, with our confidence, we can say so much more. Our body language talks louder than our words. So the confidence with which you were speaking was really mesmerizing. It was really nice. Okay. I would just I like to add one thing is since the topic is finding your niche. So I think God has given all of us a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining, and no, God has never created anybody without talent. Everybody's talented, and like you said, we need to find that niche. We just need to find that talent. Maybe we're going and hunting at the wrong places. We're looking at the wrong places. We just need to identify our talent and go and look for it in the right places. That's it. So this I think bang on the way your presentation was. I think it's if you can share the presentation with me, I'll be very happy because I would like to see it once again. And I would like it's a motivational. It's quite motivational. Okay, so it can also be to motivate other people to find their niche because a lot of us are lost. We're simply lost. We're looking for the wrong place. Okay, I'll just quickly. Do I have 2 minutes? Arindam, do I have 2 minutes?
Sure, 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 sir, sure.
Yeah. So I'll just tell you a short story. It's a very interesting story. There was an old man who was standing below a lamp post searching for something. Okay, he was searching for something. So two boys were crossing and they said, what are you searching? He said, I've lost a needle and I'm searching it here. So they said, okay, so they started searching it. They started searching it, but they did not find the needle or the key. I'm sorry, he was finding a key. They didn't find the key. So they said, are you sure you kept your key here? Because it's just not here. He said, no, I lost it inside the hut. He said, then why are you searching it over here? Because there's light over here. So the boys were like, oh my God, you've lost your key in the hut and you're searching it below the lamp. Okay. So many of us are lost. We're searching for the wrong thing in the wrong place. And that's where we get frustrated and we don't get results. So your presentation told us, go look at it at the right place. Don't keep, because I'm also into psychology. So I can tell you that we all have an inherent talent, a God gift. There are 8 kinds of intelligences, and we have one or the other intelligence. If sometimes we have a time, I can tell you about the 8 intelligences. It's very interesting. Some of us are linguistics. Some of us are into logics. Some of us are into music. Some of us are into sports. I mean, depends on your niche. Okay, it depends on your talent. So when you hone your talent, you end up at the right place. And if you are, say you are a linguist person, you love languages, but you have ended up becoming a CA, it can be very frustrating because you love talking, but there is no scope. You cannot talk to people. If Lata Mangeshkar were to become a cashier at a bank, you can imagine what would happen. You know, she found her niche, and look at where she went. Sachin Tendulkar found his niche. So that is what finding a niche is all about. And we can touch the skies, we can rock it. Okay, so that note, I would like to end my
Thank you.
speech. And thank you so much for your. And I would love to, if you can share the presentation with me. It's a request, if it will be possible.
Sure, sure. And thank you so much, Shekhar sir,
My
for
pleasure. The
and
pleasure is all mine.
for coming and sharing your wonderful point of views. It's
Thanks.
really
Mr. Shekhar, we baffled to know about this. The way that you explained each and everything, it's an amazing. Again,
Thank you, Mr. Anita. Thank you so much.
and
It's a privilege to be in this platform today.
and let me tell all of you that Mr. Shekhar is also going to be a part of our trainers community. So he's also going to be taking sessions soon. So he's also a part of our team. So thank you
I'm
so much.
looking forward. There's so much of talent here. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shekhar sir. And thank you so much, Ranjan, for conducting this wonderful workshop. It was imbibed with a lot of value, a lot of knowledge. And I also would like to thank all the participants for coming and joining us. Now, next weekend, again, we are going to come up with another bang on workshop. So please hold your seat belts. And last but not the least, parents ki respect karo na, but please do not give them corona. So thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.